If 1.1.1.1 VPN isn't showing up in your Play Store search, don't worry, it's usually a Play Store search glitch or a device region filter. In this video I'll show you 2 safe ways to install it. First, open Google Play Store, tap the search bar and type 1.1.1.1 VPN, then tap Install. If the app is not available on Play Store, don't worry, there's a simple fix. Open any browser, like Chrome, Brave, or whatever you use. Now paste the link in the address bar. I've given the link in the pinned comment. Just copy it from there. After pasting, tap on Continue, then click on Continue. It will redirect you to Play Store and look, the 1.1.1.1 VPN is now showing. Just tap Install and you're done. So that's it. Now you know how to download 1.1.1.1 VPN even if it's not available in your Play Store. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll try to reply to everyone. Thanks for watching.